January 5th, 2021 on your own. All right, so we have 8 pairs of socks that cost $16.72. What do we do with that money? Money on top. We're trying to figure out what's the unit price for 1 pair of socks. So what is the unit price for 1 pair of socks? All right, so money on top, we have $16.72. And we have 8 pairs of socks. All right, so all we're doing is dividing. $16.72 divided by 8. That's all we're doing. 16.72 divided by 8. Ooh. Divided by 8. All right, remember, pop that decimal up if we have one, which we do. Can 8 go into, ooh, can you see this color? Yeah, we can, perfect. Can 8 go into 1? Nope, but can 8 go into 16? Yes, it can. It can go in 2 times. So 8 times 2, oh, I think that's a little too late. 8 times 2 is, in fact, 16. I'm going to subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. Am I done? No, we got to bring down that 7. This is important because can 8 go into 7? No, so we need to put that 0 there. It can't go in. Oh my goodness. I went to pop up the decimal and I didn't even pop it up. My bad. So it can't go into 7. So now we can bring down that 2. Well, how many times can 8 go into 72? Well, I know that 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8, so 8 times 9. So 8 times 9 is, in fact, 72. When I subtract, I get 0. There's nothing left to bring down. So our answer is 2.09. 2 and 9 tenths, or 9 hundredths, what? $2.09 per pair of socks. Per pair of socks. Or you can say $2.09 for 1 pair. That's fine too. You can put for 1 pair. That's fine if you want to put that as well. But that's going to be it for our On Your Own. Great job!